In the previous video, I showed you how to use the data modeler and the data viewer to work with database tables. On this video, I'm going to show you the form builder. The form builder, as the name says, is to work with forms, but it can also create the database tables for you. So let's just quickly show the table I created on the last video. You can see it's just a simple contacts table. And suppose I was gonna create, let me delete that table and recreate it using the form builder. Done, deleted. So here we have it. You can use like some pre-made templates that we have, but you can click also make your own. This is the name for the form. So let's say contact. And then you add the fields. Right now, we are not creating a database table. We are creating a form, something that the user will fill in, such as name, email, and you have different types of controls you can add here. Let's go, for example, and make this one a drop down. And what more we have here? We have like fields, checkboxes, drop downs, radios, sliders, and switches. And I can't think of any kind of field to use an example here. So I'll just deleting this one and moving on. So see here in the data binding step of the form builder, you can use it to create a new table or use an existing table. Since we deleted the table, we cannot do this. So we can just select create a new table. We can name the table, so I'll name it contacts. And these are the keys. And the target here, cloud or local, is not for the table because in Apply, when you create a table, it's both local and cloud. This is to bind the form, as in, should the form write to the cloud or to local? And we're letting it write to the cloud. Then it's the style section, leave it as is. And then it creates the form for us. Like we can just edit this so that we have like some options here, such as, let's say, blue, and the value for that is blue, green. I'm just adding some options here. And then if we use this form and create a record, you can see that it saved the record. Here it is. So this is an easy way to create forms, but also to create the table at the same time. And in the case we had the table, we could simply connect the things. So let me show you that as well. By creating a table, like, I don't know, let's see, say cheese, name, and description. So we have a table for storing cheese, and we could create like a new screen with a new form. This is basically to show you the form builder. So again, we make our own, and we have like name and description. And here we can like use existing. You can see that since we named the form the same name as a table in the project, it already connected everything for us. So it connected the table, selected cloud for the destination of the data, and already selected the keys from the table and the corresponding field names. So this is all pre-selected, it's all automatic. Apply tries to make your life easier, and it actually does. But you could like select it on your own. If you, in case you are using different field names and different keys, you can customize this one. And here we have it, another form connected to a pre-existing table. This is just a quick intro to the form builder. I hope you like it. And I can't wait to see you at our forums. Tell us how you're using Apply. Reach out if you need any help.